how to remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So for that, just open your Messenger in your smartphone, and after that, on the top left hand side corner, you will see these three dot icon. So just tap on it, and after that, you will see the settings icon right beside your username. So just click on the settings icon, and on this page, as you will scroll down, you will see there is no such option to remove your end-to-end encryption. So in order to remove your end-to-end encryption, just come back to your chat screen again, and after that, just long press on the chat that you want to remove the end-to-end encryption for, and here you will see all these options. So all you have to do is just click on delete. As soon as you press on delete, you will be asked whether you are sure to delete this particular conversation or not. So just click on delete while confirming your step. And once your chat is deleted, you will be able to remove your end-to-end encryption on Messenger successfully. So this is basically how you will be able to remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.